pioneering the future of renewable energy solutions. CHREDSUN HK Group Limited has been a trailblazer in the renewable energy industry for over 19 years. Established in 2005 and upgraded to a group company in 2012, we now operate 5 state-of-the-art subsidiary factories. Our core focus is on researching, manufacturing, and selling of a diverse range of cutting-edge renewable energy products, including solar camping gear, solar tent, solar table, solar backpack, solar camping light, RV solar power, saltwater lamp that lights up when you add water, emergency power battery, self-powered emergency power generator, aluminum air battery just by adding water to get the electricity in a few seconds, portable power supply, portable power bank, portable power station, portable solar panel, home power stations, lithium iron phosphate battery, EV battery charger, drone battery, outdoor solar light, solar street light, solar landscape lighting, solar road light, solar courtyard light. With over a decade of R&D and production expertise, our factories are equipped with the latest SMT, injection molding, aging, and CNC processing technologies. This allows us to maintain the highest quality standards across our 10,000 square meters facilities, staffed by more than 500 skilled workers. Our in-house team of power designers, ID engineers, computer modelers, and product certification experts are constantly innovating to develop groundbreaking new energy solutions. CHREDSUN Group holds numerous design patents and has been certified by ISO 9001, BSCI, TUV, SGS, and other global authorities. Serving a diverse international customer base, 30% from the US, 40% from Europe, and 30% across Asia-Pacific. We are committed to providing good quality, reasonable price, excellent service. By building long-term partnerships, we empower our clients to embrace a sustainable, renewable energy future.